Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this great vector file, but they're having trouble replacing the blue. And from what he told me, I think I've got it figured out. I'm going to go to Edit and Find and Replace. I'm not going to find and replace. I'm just going to find object. So I'm going to pick that blue, and you can see down here I have blue selected. Matter of fact, let's just from selection of find all, and see, I'm going to nudge that over. Well, I got to Control G to group it sometime. And what's happening, it's not getting all the blue. Well, I kind of figured this. This is whoever drew this. Sorry about that. I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard, bring everything back. This is still all one group. It's got some blue, but it's also got black. Or it's another group. There's two groups. So when you're doing something like this, and I'm going to set my nudge factor on something bigger. This thing is huge. I'll set my nudge factor on like 25 inches. When I do something like this, I don't normally do this to a vector file. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. Then I'm going to get the blue, and you can see down here I got blue. From Selection, Find All, and then I'm going to Control G to group it. And then when I grab the blue back, I can nudge it over, and I've taken all the blue away. So if you have a group of blue, it's not necessarily going to find it. And what's cool about this, let's say you want to monkey a little more realistic, and you could put that and have brown. And then of course you could, and I'm going to go beyond what he wanted to do, but then you could take the leaves and fill in the leaves, and I went on the outside of the leaf there. And you could make this thing really, that's an empty spot or a void. See, and like if I put it there, so there, and you could close that. So if you have two groups of something, sometimes find and replace will not work, or at least find. Anyway, I hope that answered this question, and thank you for watching.